This 2017 Winnebago Navion 24V is a Class C RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 7 inches in length and features sleep 6, skylight, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, awning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, oven, DVD player, auxiliary battery, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2017 Winnebago Navion 24V is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.